If plano mo nang umuwi ng Pilipinas for good, pag-isipan mo munang mabuti bago ka bumili ng ticket. Kasi the worst time to make this decision is when you're emotional. Yung kakatapos ka palang pagalitan ng boss mo or kakatapos lang ng video call mo with your family, so naho-homesick ka pa. Kasi minsan, feelings fade but consequences don't. Pag nabili mo na yung ticket na yan, no more backseat. Ayaw naman natin na eventually manghihinayang ka sa lahat ng pinaghirapan mo abroad dahil marirealize mo na sana pala nagstay na lang ako. In my last video, I talked about the 3 questions that you need to ask yourself if ready ka na umuwi ng Pilipinas for good. For today's video naman, we'll talk about the 3 signs that you're not yet ready to move back home. Number 1, you're just reacting to burnout. Minsan pagod ka lang physically, emotionally, or mentally. And sa sobrang stress mo, gusto mo umuwi agad-agad. Gusto mo na agad bumili ng ticket. Pero after a day or two, magiging okay ka. Tapos marirealize mo, buti na lang pala hindi ako bumili ng ticket. Number 2, wala ka pang financial buffer. So kung meron kang financial goal at medyo malayo ka pa doon, baka it's a sign na kailangan mo munang magtiis ng konti. Ang hirap umuwi ng Pilipinas nang wala kang enough ipon to support your transition. Kasi hindi naman magsa-stop yung mga bayarin mo, yung mga bills mo as soon as you land here. So ideally, meron kang 3 to 6 months na financial buffer or emergency fund para hindi ka ma-stress financially pagbalik mo dito, lalo na kapag may mga nakadepende sa'yo. Lastly, hindi ka pa sure kung ba't ka uuwi. So dapat clear talaga sa'yo kung ano yung dahilan mo kung bakit ka uuwi ng Pilipinas at kung ano yung mga goals mo dahil yun yung magiging anchor mo kapag dumarating na yung mga doubts na sana pala nagstay ka na lang sa abroad. If you want more clarity and less stress bago ka umuwi ng Pilipinas for good, I actually created a Balikbayan planning series in my YouTube channel. So feel free to click the link in my bio and check out this video for more details. That's it for today. Until our next Balikbayan Chit Chat. Ciao!